Yes, no, we are now classified as a middle-income country, and by 2040, we'll probably be labeled as a high middle-income country. But our health statistics has remained flat from low-middle income. In fact, our neighbors, ASEAN neighbors, I will compare ASEAN na lang po para malaman nyo, yung infant mortality natin, steady lang. Yung sa kanila, talagang bumaba na. Napababa na nila with their efforts. Yung maternal mortality, ganun din. Tayo medyo steady. Bumababa naman, napapababa naman natin, pero our neighbors are overtaking us. So parang medyo nahihiya ako bilang Pilipino na yung ating mga Thai and Vietnamese and Indonesian neighbors are overtaking us in parameters for health. So very important na magpursige pa tayo based on our level of economy. Kasi nga, ini-expect tayo ng ibang bansa na maganda ekonomiya natin, dapat healthy din yung ating mga populasyon. Longer lifespan, lower infant mortality, mataas ang mga batang na bakunahan, na gano'n, at walang namamatay ng vaccine preventable diseases at walang outbreak. So, ano lang tayo, flat. We really need to do more para gumanda pa rin ang ating health indices.